kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke here, Aneke Budgets, and on here we do custom budget pin out for debt and minding our business and not necessarily in them for order. So in today's video, as you guys can see, we're doing budgeting bingo. We're doing savings bingo. So if you are here to save these coins, okay, no shade, no tea. Hey, you see my money savings? Okay, all right, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, we have the setup for budgeting bingo, our savings bingo. So every week we do 7, let me turn this around real quick. Every week we do 7 balls, right? We spin for 7 balls, and then from those 7 balls we will see what we are savings. I am doing the girly fam. I'm a part of the girly fam team, so if you haven't seen last week's video, go ahead and check out last week's video for that. But you have girly fam, flower stand, and butterfly gang, and you can get these off my Ko-fi shop, which are linked down below for free. So you can print these out and you can join, or you can print these out and do bingo yourself, whatever you want to do, child. So that is something that you guys can get off of there. And so yeah, let's start the budgeting bingo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have our 7 balls that have come out. So every time we do a bingo ball, we do the second number on the bingo ball. That's what we basically save. There's no zeros in here. It's only 1 through 9 for I, N, G, and O, and then B is all the numbers from 1 through 15. So somebody will get a bingo, somebody will not, but we even across the board. So the first number that we have, ooh, G60, y'all. G60. Ain't no zero, so ain't nobody getting nothing off of that one. Okay, the next one that we have is N35. So N35. So this means that this is an N5. So now we gotta look and see if anybody got an N with a 5. Oh, nobody got an N5. Oh, damn. N35. Nobody got a damn. Okay. Next up, we have G54. G54. So that means that G4, if you have a G with a 4, fam, yo, no G4s? Sheesh. Let me tell you, these were random. I literally did these with a random thing. So all the numbers is randomly placed on the thing. So as much as they random in here too, the sheets are random too. So this one is O63. O63. Do we have an O3? We do got some O3s. Okay, so we have 2. So Flower Fam has a 3. Let me get the colors. So Flower Fam has a 3 and Butterfly Gang has a 3. So that's 3 right there. And then again with the green. Alright, we have green right there. So O3. Boom. Okay, we like it. Okay, oh, it's a lot of greens today. It's a lot of greens. Next is O71. O71. So do we have an O1 anywhere? Nope, we already took the O1s. They ain't giving out no more. Let's move on. Let's see what we got. We got an O something. We got an O72. O72. We got an O2. We do got an O2. Okay. Okay. Boom. O2 right there. Alright. Okay. And then last but not least, we have a white ball. So it's only one sheet that will get this. And we have a B6. B6. So this one right here. So boom. B6, y'all. So those are the 7. I don't know if you want anything or not, because baby, I don't think you know, we got anything. Girly Fam did not get anything this week. Flower Gang, I think they got 5. So they got the 3 and the 2, if I'm not mistaken. They got 5, and then Butterfly Gang got the 6 and maybe a 3. I don't know. Let me hold on a second. Let me get my life together, and then I'll come back and tell you guys what they actually got. Yo, are y'all seeing this? Are y'all seeing this? Like, oh my gosh, I got the numbers. So real quick, the numbers are flower stands are getting $5, and Butterfly Gang is adding $9 to their envelope this week. And you know, Girly Fam didn't get nothing this week, y'all. We was not it. But y'all, look at Flower Stand. They only need an 06. And then basically that's a bingo. Oh my god. And then they have to have $20. Oh my god. So if you don't know, if you get a bingo, then you had to have $20, y'all. And they only need a 6. And then Butterfly Gang need a 6 and a 9 in order to, y'all. I really was out here and I was like, oh my god, it's gonna be, you know, it's gonna be like a diagonal, you know, it's gonna be like diagonal or something. Y'all, vertical works too. Y'all, look at all these O's. The O's is coming, they coming to play. They coming to play. They come into play, y'all. So yeah, so make sure you save those amounts. Okay, make sure the flower stands, if that was your budget bingo, then save $5. If you're a Butterfly Gang, then you're saving $9. And if you're a Girly Fam, we didn't get any money this week, y'all. We is broke. We is not stuffing any money. So oh my god, oh my god, that's crazy. That's crazy. But anyways, y'all, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comment down below, and let me know if you is like excited. Let me know if you're a Flower Stand or a Butterfly Gang. Let me know if you like in whichever one you on, because baby, okay, shout out to y'all. Y'all are so close. And she just, you know, the little ball is in here just waiting. So yeah guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Aneke. I hope you are saving, child, with this saving bingo, because this is a little exciting. A little salt and pepper, a little spicy. All right, but yeah, I posted my emergency fund setup, y'all. Oh my god, I posted my emergency fund setup for Vlogmas for this month. So if you guys I'm sorry, if you guys would like to see how I plan to save, you know, how much is my emergency fund, which is $36,000 plus, child, go ahead and click the video that's on your screen right now, because it's coming up. But my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you won't get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.